Question 1. Policy provisions. What is the primary purpose of the exclusions section in a home insurance policy? A. To outline the specific coverage amounts for each type of loss. B. To detail the situations and perils that are not covered by the policy. C. To provide instructions on how to file a claim. D. To list the endorsements available for additional coverage. Answer. B. To detail the situations and perils that are not covered by the policy. Explanation. The exclusions section is critical as it explicitly states what is not covered under the policy, ensuring that policyholders understand the limitations of their coverage. For example, typical exclusions might include damage from floods, earthquakes, or intentional acts. This section protects insurers from unexpected claims and helps policyholders identify potential gaps in coverage. According to New York insurance law, transparency in exclusions is essential for consumer protection, allowing clients to make informed decisions regarding their insurance needs. Question 2. Risk assessment and underwriting. Which factor is least likely to influence the underwriting decision for a home insurance policy? A. The age of the home. B. The homeowner's credit score. C. The homeowner's choice of outdoor landscaping. D. The proximity of the home to a fire department. Answer. C. The homeowner's choice of outdoor landscaping. Explanation. Underwriters assess multiple risk factors to determine eligibility and premiums for home insurance. Key factors include the age of the home, which can affect structural integrity, the homeowner's credit score indicating financial responsibility, and proximity to emergency services like fire departments, which can reduce risk. While landscaping can influence aesthetic value or maintenance risks, it does not directly impact underwriting decisions related to insurability or risk exposure. Thus, it is the least likely factor to be considered in underwriting. Question 3. Scenario-based question. Mr. Thompson recently filed a claim after discovering significant water damage in his basement due to a plumbing issue. Upon investigation, the insurance adjuster found that the damage was caused by a failure in the home's plumbing system, which Mr. Thompson was aware of but had not repaired. What should Mr. Thompson expect regarding his claim? A. His claim will be fully covered since plumbing issues are part of dwelling coverage. B. His claim may be denied due to his prior knowledge of the plumbing issue and failure to address it. C. His claim will be partially covered, but he will be responsible for a deductible. D. He should expect a complete reimbursement for the damages without any deductions. Answer. B. His claim may be denied due to his prior knowledge of the plumbing issue and failure to address it. Explanation. Under New York home insurance regulations, policyholders have a duty to maintain their property and to mitigate damage. If Mr. Thompson was aware of the plumbing failure and did not take corrective action, the insurer may invoke the principle of moral hazard, which suggests that allowing the issue to persist increases risk and potential loss. Therefore, the adjuster may determine that the damage was preventable and deny the claim based on the policy's exclusion for maintenance issues. This aligns with the contractual obligations the homeowners have under their insurance agreements to maintain their properties and report known issues to avoid claims denial. Question 4. Coverage types. Which of the following is not typically covered under a standard homeowner's insurance policy? HO3. A. Theft of personal property. B. Damage to offense caused by a falling tree. C. Mold damage from a plumbing leak. D. Fire damage to the dwelling. Answer. C. Mold damage from a plumbing leak. Explanation. Standard homeowners insurance policies typically cover various types of damage, such as theft, fire, and damage from falling objects. However, mold damage resulting from a plumbing leak may not be covered, as it often falls under exclusions related to gradual damage or lack of maintenance. Insurers may require the homeowners maintain their plumbing systems to prevent such occurrences. In New York, homeowners should carefully review their policy's exclusions regarding mold and take preventive measures to mitigate risks. Question 5. Claims process. When filing a claim for property damage, what is the most critical document a policyholder should submit to their insurer? A. The original insurance policy document. B. Photographic evidence of the damage. C. A personal statement detailing the incident. D. The repair estimate from a contractor. Answer. B. Photographic evidence of the damage. Explanation. While all the documents listed are important, photographic evidence is critical as it provides visual proof of the damage that occurred. Insurers rely heavily on this evidence during the claims investigation process to verify the extent and cause of the damage. Along with photographs, submitting the original policy and any estimates can support the claim, but photographic documentation is often the first point of assessment for adjusters. Under New York law, ensuring comprehensive documentation helps streamline the claims process and increases the likelihood of a successful outcome. Question 6. Problem-solving skills. A severe storm caused a tree to fall on Mr. Martinez's house, resulting in roof damage. His insurance policy includes coverage for both dwelling and other structures. Which of the following actions should Mr. Martinez take first to ensure his claim is processed smoothly? A. Wait for the adjuster to inspect the damage before taking any action. B. Immediately hire a contractor to repair the roof before documenting the damage. C. Document the damage with photos and keep a detailed record of the incident. D. Call his insurance agent to inquire about coverage before assessing the damage. Answer. C. Document the damage with photos and keep a detailed record of the incident. Explanation. The first step in the claims process after sustaining damage is to document the situation thoroughly. This includes taking photographs of the damage and writing down the details of the incident, such as the time of the storm and the extent of the damage. This documentation is essential for supporting the claim and facilitating the claims investigation process. Waiting for an adjuster or immediately hiring a contractor without documentation may hinder the claim process or lead to disputes regarding the extent of the damage. Question 7. Risk assessment and underwriting. Which of the following factors would most likely lead to a higher premium for a homeowner's insurance policy? A. The property being located in a low-crime neighborhood. B. The presence of a swimming pool on the property. C. The home being newly constructed. D. The homeowner maintaining a good credit score. Answer. B. The presence of a swimming pool on the property. Explanation. A swimming pool is considered a potential liability risk and may increase the likelihood of accidents on the property, thus resulting in higher premiums. Insurers often assess the additional risks associated with pools, including liability concerns and the need for increased safety measures. While the other options may indicate lower risk factors such as good credit and new construction, the presence of a swimming pool typically warrants a higher premium due to the associated risks. Question 8. State-specific regulations. In New York, what is the purpose of the disclosure requirements in homeowners insurance policies? A. To allow insurers to change coverage terms without notice. B. To inform policyholders about their rights and the insurer's obligations. C. To list all possible exclusions in the policy. D. To provide a summary of the claims process to policyholders. Answer. B. To inform policyholders about their rights and the insurer's obligations. Explanation. Disclosure requirements in New York are designed to ensure that policyholders are fully aware of their rights and the obligations of the insurer. This includes information on how claims will be handled, what coverage is included, and what exclusions may apply. Transparency in disclosures helps protect consumers and enhances their understanding of the policy they are purchasing. This is critical under New York insurance law, which emphasizes consumer protection and the obligation of insurers to provide clear and comprehensive information. Question 9. Theoretical knowledge. What does the principle of indemnity in insurance aim to achieve? A. To allow policyholders to profit from their losses. B. To restore the insured to their pre-loss financial position. C. To reduce the premium costs for high-risk properties. D. To encourage homeowners to take more risks. Answer. B. To restore the insured to their pre-loss financial position. Explanation. The principle of indemnity is fundamental to insurance and ensures that policyholders are compensated for their losses up to the amount of their financial interest in the property, but not more. This principle prevents insured individuals from profiting from insurance claims, maintaining the insurance system's integrity. For example, if the home is damaged in a fire, indemnity ensures that the homeowner receives compensation to repair or replace the damaged property without financial gain from the loss. This principle is crucial in promoting fair practices in the insurance industry. Question 10. Additional topics. Which of the following natural disasters is typically not covered under a standard homeowner's insurance policy in New York? A. Fire. B. Hail. C. Earthquake. D. Windstorm. Answer. C. Earthquake. Explanation. Standard homeowners insurance policies usually cover fire, hail, and windstorm damages, but they typically exclude earthquake damage. Homeowners in New York who wish to be covered for earthquake-related losses must purchase a separate earthquake endorsement or a dedicated earthquake insurance policy. This exclusion reflects the higher risk associated with seismic activity and the unique underwriting challenges it presents. Homeowners should assess their risk exposure and consider additional coverage for natural disasters based on their specific location and circumstances. Question 11. Coverage types. Which coverage is specifically designed to protect a homeowner from liability claims arising from injuries that occur on their property? A. Coverage A. B. Coverage D. C. Coverage E. D. Coverage F. Answer: C. Coverage E. Explanation: Coverage E, or personal liability coverage, is designed to protect homeowners from claims arising due to bodily injury or property damage to others that occur on their premises. This coverage extends to legal costs and settlements resulting from such claims. Understanding the nuances of liability coverage is critical for homeowners, as it ensures financial protection against potential lawsuits that could arise from incidents occurring on their property, reflecting the fundamental principles of risk management and protection. Question 12. Claims process. What is the typical time frame within which an insurance company must respond to a claim once it has been filed in New York? A. 30 days. B. 15 days. C. 45 days. D. 60 days. Answer: A. 30 days. Explanation: New York law mandates that insurers must acknowledge a claim within 30 days of receipt. This time frame allows the insurance company to initiate the claims investigation process and begin the review of the circumstances surrounding the claim. Adherence to this timeline is essential for maintaining trust and transparency between insurers and policyholders. Failure to respond within this period can lead to regulatory consequences for insurers and dissatisfaction among consumers. Question 13. Risk assessment and underwriting. Which of the following best describes the term moral hazard in the context of insurance? A. The risk that a policyholder will engage in reckless behavior due to having insurance. B. The financial loss that results from the underinsurance of a property. C. The statistical analysis used to determine premium rates. D. The increase in claims frequency following a natural disaster. Answer: A. The risk that a policyholder will engage in reckless behavior due to having insurance. Explanation: Moral hazard refers to the tendency of individuals to take greater risks when they know they are insured. For instance, a homeowner might neglect home maintenance, knowing that insurance will cover losses. Insurers mitigate this risk through careful underwriting and policy conditions that promote responsible behavior, highlighting the importance of risk management principles in maintaining a sustainable insurance model. Question 14. Practical applications. A client is evaluating multiple homeowners insurance policies and wants to ensure they have adequate coverage for their personal property. What should be the primary consideration when assessing coverage amounts? A. The estimated market value of the home. B. The total square footage of the house. C. The replacement cost of personal belongings. D. The homeowner's income level. Answer: C. The replacement cost of personal belongings. Explanation: When evaluating homeowners insurance, the primary consideration should be the replacement cost of personal belongings, not their market value or the home's square footage. Replacement cost refers to the amount necessary to replace items with new ones of similar kind and quality, ensuring that the homeowner can fully recover their financial losses in the event of a claim. Understanding this concept is crucial for achieving comprehensive coverage and financial security. Question 15. State-specific regulations. Under New York law, which of the following is a requirement for insurers regarding the denial of a claim? A. Insurers must provide a detailed explanation for the denial within 30 days. B. Insurers are not required to provide any explanation for claim denials. C. Insurers must approve claims without investigation if the initial report is positive. D. Insurers may deny claims based solely on personal judgment. Answer: A. Insurers must provide a detailed explanation for the denial within 30 days. Explanation: New York regulations require that if an insurer denies a claim, they must provide the policyholder with a detailed explanation of the reasons for the denial within 30 days. This requirement is crucial for consumer protection, ensuring that policyholders understand the basis of the insurer's decision and can take appropriate action, such as appealing the denial or seeking further clarification. This fosters transparency and accountability within the insurance industry. Question 16. Theoretical knowledge. In the context of insurance, what does the term subrogation refer to? A. The process of determining the value of a claim. B. The insurer's right to pursue recovery from a third party after paying a claim. C. The act of underwriting a high-risk policy. D. The calculation of premiums based on property location. Answer: B. The insurer's right to pursue recovery from a third party after paying a claim. Explanation: Subrogation is a legal principle that allows insurers to step into the shoes of the insured after paying a claim and pursue recovery from any third party responsible for the loss. This process helps insurers recoup losses and maintain lower premiums for policyholders. For example, if a homeowner's property is damaged due to a neighbor's negligence, the insurer may pay for the damages and then seek reimbursement from the neighbor. This principle is fundamental in managing costs and ensuring fairness in the insurance process. Question 17. Additional topics. Which of the following best describes the responsibility of homeowners concerning maintenance under their insurance policy? A. Homeowners are not responsible for regular maintenance as long as they have insurance. B. Homeowners must perform regular maintenance to prevent damage and claims denial. C. Homeowners can ignore maintenance issues until they file a claim. D. Homeowners are only responsible for maintenance during the policy renewal period. Answer. B. Homeowners must perform regular maintenance to prevent damage and claims denial. Explanation. Homeowners are obligated to maintain their property in good condition as part of their insurance policy's terms. Failure to perform regular maintenance can lead to claims denial, particularly if damage arises from negligence or lack of upkeep. Insurers often include maintenance clauses in their policies to promote responsible ownership and mitigate risks. This responsibility emphasizes the importance of proactive property management in the context of homeowners insurance. Question 18. Claims process. If a policyholder experiences a total loss of their home due to a covered peril, what is the first step they should take to initiate the claims process? A. Start rebuilding the home immediately. B. Call the insurance company to report the loss. C. File a lawsuit against the insurer for damages. D. Begin gathering personal property receipts for reimbursement. Answer. B. Call the insurance company to report the loss. Explanation. The first step a policyholder should take after a total loss is to report the loss to their insurance company as soon as possible. This initiates the claims process and allows the insurer to assign an adjuster to assess the damage. Timely reporting is crucial for a smooth claims process and ensures that the policyholder's rights are protected. Delaying this step can lead to complications or potential issues with the claim being processed efficiently. Question 19. Scenario-based question. Mrs. Johnson recently moved into an older home and discovered that the electrical system was outdated and posed safety risks. After a fire caused by faulty wiring, she filed a claim with her insurance company. What is the most likely outcome of her claim based on her knowledge of the electrical issues prior to the fire? A. The claim will be fully covered as the fire was not intentional. B. The claim may be denied due to her prior knowledge of the electrical issues. C. She will receive a partial payment for damages with a deduction for negligence. D. The insurance company will cover the full amount but require her to upgrade the electrical system. Answer. B. The claim may be denied due to her prior knowledge of the electrical issues. Explanation. If Mrs. Johnson was aware of the electrical problems before the fire and failed to address them, the insurance company may deny her claim based on the principle of negligence. Insurers expect homeowners to mitigate known risks, and failing to do so can lead to claims denial. This underscores the importance of maintaining a safe living environment and the responsibilities that come with homeownership in the context of insurance coverage. Question 20. Emerging issues in home insurance. How has climate change most directly impacted the underwriting process for homeowners insurance? A. It has decreased the number of claims filed for natural disasters. B. It has led to increased premiums due to higher risk assessments. C. It has standardized coverage terms across all policies. D. It has made insurance more affordable for homeowners in flood zones. Answer. B. It has led to increased premiums due to higher risk assessments. Explanation. Climate change has significantly affected the underwriting process as insurers now account for the increased frequency and severity of natural disasters when assessing risk. This has led to higher premiums in areas prone to flooding, hurricanes, and wildfires as the potential for loss has escalated. Insurers are adjusting their underwriting guidelines to reflect these realities, making it essential for homeowners to understand how environmental changes can impact their coverage and premiums. This evolution in underwriting practices is a critical response to emerging risks in the insurance landscape. Question 21. Policy provisions. Which of the following is typically NOT included in the declarations page of a homeowner's insurance policy? A. The insured's name and address. B. The types of coverage provided. C. The policy limit for personal property. D. The specific conditions for filing a claim. Answer. D. The specific conditions for filing a claim. Explanation: the declarations page of a homeowner's insurance policy primarily provides essential information such as the insured's name, address, coverage types, and policy limits. However, specific conditions for filing a claim are usually detailed in the policy's insuring agreements and conditions sections. Understanding the declarations page is crucial for policyholders to know their coverage and limits, helping them manage risks effectively. Question 22. Coverage types. Which coverage type in a homeowner's insurance policy specifically addresses additional living expenses incurred when a home becomes uninhabitable? A. Coverage C. B. Coverage D. C. Coverage E. D. Coverage F. Answer: B. Coverage D. Explanation: Coverage D, or loss of use coverage, provides for additional living expenses when a homeowner must vacate their residence due to a covered loss. This includes costs such as temporary housing and increased living expenses, which can be significant during repairs or rebuilding. Understanding this coverage is vital for homeowners to ensure they have financial support during the restoration process. Question 23. Risk assessment and underwriting. What factor is typically considered least relevant in determining a homeowner's insurance premium? A. The location of the home. B. The age of the homeowner. C. The property's construction type. D. The claims history of the homeowner. Answer: B. The age of the homeowner. Explanation: while factors such as the location, construction type, and claims history significantly impact homeowners' insurance premiums, the age of the homeowner is generally less relevant. Insurers focus more on the property and risk factors that directly influence potential claims. Understanding these underwriting criteria helps homeowners identify areas where they can mitigate risk and potentially low premiums. Question 24. Claims process. What is the primary purpose of a claims adjuster in the homeowner's insurance claims process? A. To deny claims based on policy exclusions. B. To evaluate the extent of damage and determine the payout. C. To provide legal advice to the policyholder. D. To expedite the claims payment process without investigation. Answer: B. To evaluate the extent of damage and determine the payout. Explanation: the primary role of a claims adjuster is to assess the damage reported by the policyholder and determine the appropriate payout based on the policy's terms. This involves gathering evidence, interviewing the policyholder, and analyzing documentation. Adjusters play a critical role in ensuring that claims are handled fairly and in accordance with the policy provisions, which is essential for maintaining trust in the insurance process. Question 25. Problem-solving skills. A homeowner discovers significant water damage from a leaky roof after a storm, but did not report the damage for several weeks. What is the most likely consequence of this delay? A. The insurer will automatically cover the full repair costs. B. The claim may be denied due to late reporting. C. The homeowner will receive a premium discount for reporting late. D. The insurer will expedite the claim due to extenuating circumstances. Answer: B. The claim may be denied due to late reporting. Explanation: insurance policies generally require prompt reporting of claims to facilitate timely investigations and repairs. Delayed reporting can lead to claims denial, especially if the insurer can demonstrate that the delay hindered their ability to investigate the damage adequately. This principle underscores the importance of timely communication in the claims process to ensure that policyholders are protected under their coverage. Answer: B. Shifting the financial responsibility of risk to another party, typically through insurance. Explanation: risk transfer is a fundamental concept in risk management where individuals or businesses shift the financial burden of risks to insurance companies. By purchasing insurance, homeowners transfer the potential costs of losses due to covered events, effectively protecting themselves from significant financial impacts. Understanding this concept is crucial for making informed insurance decisions and managing risks effectively. Question 26. Theoretical knowledge. In risk management, what does the term risk transfer refer to? A. Eliminating all potential risks associated with an asset. B. Shifting the financial responsibility of risk to another party, typically through insurance. C. Accepting and managing risks internally without external assistance. D. Diversifying investments to reduce overall risk exposure. Question 27. State-specific regulations. What is a key requirement for homeowners in New York regarding insurance policy renewals? They must provide proof of financial stability to renew. B. They must be notified of any changes in coverage at least 30 days before renewal. C. They are not required to review their policy before renewal. D. They can renew their policy without any documentation if they have been a long-term customer. Answer: B. They must be notified of any changes in coverage at least 30 days before renewal. Explanation: New York law mandates that insurers must notify policyholders of any changes in coverage or premium at least 30 days prior to the renewal date. This requirement ensures that homeowners are aware of their policy terms and can make informed decisions about their coverage. Transparency in policy renewals is essential for consumer protection and fostering trust in the insurance market. Question 20. Emerging issues in home insurance. How has the rise of smart home technology impacted homeowners' insurance policies? A. It has decreased the overall number of claims filed. B. It has led to lower premiums for all homeowners. C. It has prompted insurers to offer discounts for homes equipped with smart technology. D. It has eliminated the need for homeowners insurance entirely. Answer: C. It has prompted insurers to offer discounts for homes equipped with smart technology. Explanation: The increasing integration of smart home technology, such as security systems and leak detectors, has led many insurers to offer discounts on premiums for homes equipped with such devices. These technologies can reduce the risk of damage and theft, allowing insurers to incentivize homeowners to invest in safety measures. Understanding these emerging trends can help homeowners take advantage of potential savings on their insurance premiums. Question 29. Practical applications. When reviewing a homeowner's insurance policy, which of the following should a homeowner prioritize to ensure they have adequate coverage? A. The policy's deductibles. B. The history of claims filed by the insurer. C. The specific exclusions listed in the policy. D. The number of endorsements attached to the policy. Answer: C. The specific exclusions listed in the policy. Explanation: While all aspects of a policy are important, homeowners should prioritize understanding the specific exclusions listed in their insurance policy. Exclusions outline what is not covered, which can significantly impact a homeowner's financial security in the event of a claim. Identifying these gaps allows homeowners to make informed decisions about additional coverage or endorsements to mitigate potential risks effectively. Question 30. Scenario-based question. Mr. Thompson has just purchased a new home and is in the process of selecting a homeowner's insurance policy. He notices that one policy excludes coverage for certain natural disasters. What should Mr. Thompson consider when evaluating this policy? A. Whether he lives in a flood zone and can afford the potential loss. B. The price difference between this policy and others without exclusions. C. His current savings and how they can cover any future losses. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: Mr. Thompson should consider multiple factors when evaluating a homeowner's insurance policy with exclusions for natural disasters. Assessing whether he lives in a flood zone is crucial as it directly affects his risk. Additionally, comparing the price difference with other policies can help him understand the cost-benefit of having comprehensive coverage. Finally, evaluating his savings is important to determine whether he can financially absorb potential losses. Taking all these aspects into account will enable Mr. Thompson to make an informed decision that adequately protects his investment.